Number 10. Porsche Macan Turbo Performance Pack. 0 to 62 miles per hour, 4.4s. Top speed, 169 miles per hour. If the Cayenne is Porsche's cash cow, shifting the units to finance the hardcore GT3 and GT2 911s for enthusiasts to swoon over, that must make the Macan the cash cow. Bringing the winning Cayenne formula in a more compact package, the Macan lineup wouldn't be complete without a firecracker of the turbo model to top things off. Number 9. Mercedes-AMG GLA45. 0 to 62 miles per hour, 4.4s. Top speed, 155 miles per hour. Mercedes-AMG GLA45 actually gets close to the performance figures of its big brother, the GLE63 AMG, but without the need for the stonking great V8. The 4-cylinder 2.0-liter turbo engine does have 355 bhp though. Number 8. Mercedes-AMG GLE63 S Coupe. 0 to 62 miles per hour, 4.2s. Top speed, 155 miles per hour. Let's face it, like a lot of cars on this list, the Mercedes GLE63 is just plain ridiculous. Not only does it have outrageous amounts of get up and go, it is also one of those cars which combines coupe styling with an SUV platform, or tries to. Irrespective of what you think of the design, it will hit 62 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. Number 7. BMW X5M/X6M. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.2s. Top speed, 155 miles per hour. The BMW X6M and X5M are genuine SUV M-cars and their performance figures reflect that. Both pack 567 bhp output from a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 and should be enough to keep the craziest of power junkies happy. Number 6. Porsche Cayenne Turbo. 0 to 62 miles per hour, 4.1s. Top speed, 177 miles per hour. The daddy of Porsche's performance SUVs is still the Porsche Cayenne Turbo, and it's a hard car to outpace even if you're driving a sports car, let alone an SUV. Giant SUVs shouldn't really be able to generate supercar rivaling performance, but here's proof positive that they can. Number 5. Bentley Bentayga. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.0s. Top speed, 187 miles per hour. Many people ridiculed the Bentayga when it was launched, but Bentley's first foray into the SUV market has proved quite successful. Underneath the bonnet there is a 6.0-liter W12 which produces 600 bhp and 900 nanometers of torque from just 1,350 rpm. Meaning this large SUV is a force to be reckoned with. Number 4. Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. 0 to 62 miles per hour, 3.8s. Top speed, 176 miles per hour. The Stelvio Quadrifoglio aims to build on the huge success of the Giulia Quadrifoglio saloon. On first impressions, the new Alfa provides as much driving enjoyment as you can expect from any SUV, which is a good start. But with a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 503 bhp under the bonnet, would you expect anything else? Number 3. Lamborghini Urus. 0 to 62 miles per hour, 3.6s. Top speed, 190 miles per hour. The Lamborghini Urus SUV launched to a mixed reception. The super SUV, as it is being called by Lambo, is expected to cost around £165,000 in the UK, boast a ridiculous 641 bhp and have an equally outrageous 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 3.6s. While the styling will continue to divide opinion, the Urus does more than enough to justify a place on this list. Number 2. Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.4s. Top speed, 180 miles per hour. The Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk is, by a decent margin, the fastest production internal combustion SUV on the planet. It uses a 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 697 bhp to hit 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. What's more, it is coming to the UK. Number 1. Tesla Model X. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.2s. Top speed, 155 miles per hour. The Tesla Model X is top of the fastest SUV tree, that is assuming you pay for the luxury of the ludicrous mode. This setting reduces the 0 to 60 miles per hour from 4.2 seconds to a mind-bending 3.2s, making it as fast as Audi R8 V10 Plus.